Hello everyone, I am Varun Tripathi, student of class 10, standing in my team for presenting our robotic project on medical domain. Our country is one of the essential requirement is medical supplements, and due to delay in delivery of these medical supplements, we lost many lives of our country. So, for improving this, we have prepared this project medical domain. So the simple and basic idea of it is that these drones will help us to supply medical supplements to people, those who are in need. And we have the controller from which we can control and have a navigator from which we can navigate. So to understand this more difficulty, I would like to invite my teammates.
Now I am going to tell about possible effects of drones. Drones can be used for supplying medicine to areas that are hard to reach and will improve access to emergency medical care with rapid delivery of items like aids and blood and maintaining sample integrity during transport.
I'm going to tell about drone controller. First, frame. A drone frame is a structural backbone of a drone. Second, brushless motor. We are using brushless distributor for high efficiency. Third, GPS. It provides live location of the drone. Fourth, we are using eco battery for high efficiency and lightweight. Fifth, flight controller.
Now I am going to introduce about how the drone works. Firstly, it will load the supplement, and secondly, it will do flight training. So it can reach to destination at time. It will take off with the help of navigator, and after that, it will reach to this destination and get back for fulfillment.